right, I have to Lego that.
You have to Lego that.
Because I tell them all about say we not get enough to. You have to just easy and go and love and learn. You may tell them say, welcome to the younger generation when I come.
For real, a real talk. Powerful talk that.
Yeah.
Who are going to be their inspiration?
Yeah, and them have people to teach them right.
For real.
You have some kids, their mother terrible, and when I realize they not come terrible.
See.
Come good. Because then see other people who good and teach them, say, hey, leave people on their whole broken and go work for something, you know.
See.
Yeah, that's how I roll.
So welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, please consider subscribing. If you are a returning viewer, blessed love, welcome back. Today we're there with the man from Old Harbour people, and the man is a sculptor. The man can make art out of any piece of wood you can find. We have here so lignum vitae, blue maho. We have all different shape and sizes art. Link up the man thing. Me go put him information on the bottom so you can link him. See? Alright people, so we're there on you with Damain the artist. Yeah. The man is a sculptor.
He's a singer.
And the man is a singer, said Speed.
Yeah, me I say big up, because me a jam up. Me I say big up all the youth them over Choli Green, Canada, Toronto, Edmonton City, Chatham, Stacey. When me drink Malta, never get falter. When me go watch church, so me end up at the altar. What the yo Walter, you know Rudy, never get Brody. Stop it, pop it. No for them boy you not driving on no traffic. No for them boy you not gear down the matic. A topic. If me get a car, you know me woulda push it. Get all a bicycle right now, me flash it. Yo, big up Jamaica uncut, one cut. You don't know Jamaica still large and big and broad, yeah.
Blessed love.
Yeah.
Yes, people, so we're there with the man Damain, and the man come from all the way at Old Harbour.
Yeah, Negril.
To Negril.
Yeah.
And the man is an artist, the man is a sculptor, and the man carve some amazing work, people, out of lignum vitae, blue maho, all of them things there. See? So we are going to go through some of them work them and show you and get some price here and tell them that so they can link up the man thing and support the local artists. See? So Damain,
yeah.
How long now you do this?
I do this from a 12-year-old. I do it with Rambo Kid. And I do it with Lanny.
And why you decide to get into this specific art?
You know, so when I look at youth and I pass the carving shop, I see art like every day I want a art. I even know so I have art can deal with the art.
See?
So we just start dealing with the art and the artists then start teach you everything. So we have to big up all I teach of them. And we want to teach most youth right now.
See?
Yeah.
So you feel like I say if more youth did take on them work here, would have less crime and violence in our country, not true?
Yeah, them have more people, more them youth that realize say, yo, me have a skill. This is a lamp, you know?
See?
Calabash lamp, you know, original thing. Big up your teacher, Sean. Like we have to be a good out the road. You see me?
Where you get raw material from to do them work here?
So we buy dry material in a St. Elizabeth.
See?
Yeah, in a St. Elizabeth we have to go and get some material. And sometimes we get in a St. Catherine and Clarendon. For the material did already.
So how you know say a man have the material? How you know who and who to go check?
Sometimes when we in a country, I go through, we see a nice lady and she says she live up in a St. Elizabeth and her sister have a dry tree and we just go buy her she and we just give her a number if she's not too interested to have free number. We just come to boom and give them a number and then link with. And we just get a car or a vehicle and we just get the power song and cut them up. Pay them for the material and bring them back home.
How long would it take you to do a piece like that?
3 weeks.
For real?
Yeah, because I have to chop it out, carve it, and then I have to clean up it.
See?
Take some time, you know.
See? And what kind of material you use for smooth him down and making it so?
Well, yeah, when we done carve him out, we use the wood file and file him down. And then we use sandpaper and sand him down. And get him balance and line, clean up and ready for the road.
See, the other man. When you get a piece of tree,
yeah.
How you decide where you're going to make with a piece of?
Sometimes a person give me an order like say, wow, because all you give me an order and say, boy, I want you cut out my face with my head shine and my beard. We just deal with the same time.
For real?
That's what you want. Sometimes we see something in it too. I know say yeah that and sometimes we there we are and say, alright, you know me I gotta be like China bum. We never seen a Chinese bump in there, but we put one in it. We can see something in our wood and say that we are going to put in it too.
See it there?
And we can see one blank piece of wood and say, alright, we are going to make one woman pregnant. And she round up.
See?
And her body cock up.
See it there? See the people? Real thing. Real shape.
Yeah, man, I'm
See?
Swirl alone this.
Yeah, man, for real, for
We
real.
have some more. We have that one here.
Like all the one you
Tony
know.
and Sink.
So Tony and Sing this.
St. Thomas. You know we have to deal with Miss Burl
For
different.
real.
Yeah, man, natural.
And what inspired that one you know?
That one is inspired by beauty.
See?
We are in beautiful girls, you know?
See it there, that
Yeah,
man.
man.
Alright, so people, Damian, the man is an artist, the man is a sculptor. And as the man say, if you want something specific, you can tell him. And him will just do it for your said speed.
And you come from far, you just check Rock House, because you don't know, say Rock House or rock with you. And you
See
get nice things. These things, when you have one of these things, you have it for a lifetime.
So outside of Rock House, who else sell your work?
One time I have swept away.
See?
Big company too, swept away.
See there?
And sometimes some other people up the road, Timson Pen and big up all like craft people them down and
We support the thing.
Yeah, we are giving
See?
a goodbye.
I say you do this when you're 12.
Yeah, from here.
12-year-old.
My mother allow me that make can go check Rambo kid in in early morning. By 11 o'clock, I have to bathe and go to school.
See?
Yeah, so I learn this. I have an ex-brother named Kuku I learn, but in dead in Jap out I work.
See?
Do other work.
Alright people, so check out the man thing. Damian from Old Harbour.
They say Andy.
Or
Big up
Andy.
the youth them a Mali.
See it
Big
there?
up all I look at youth them a Mali and big up the one them I work with. I know say, we don't forget phone look up here. Big up Sakaba youth them are interested in our work and I work with me. We not big up on yourself.
So like when a youth want to learn the work now, what do you have to just come on your foot?
Yeah, come out with foot and you have to have manners and respect.
Yes.
You have to learn certain respect for when you come over here so. You can't show your respect and make you one video him. You have to just show love.
See it there?
There's people from all over the world that come over here.
For real, for real, for
See
real.
how a nice little piece. I have this for a lifetime. It's a one shine head man. And he must smile too, you know, really sad.
So how you get get the personality out in the carving? Make the man a smile or make the man sad or...
Alright. To make the man smile is a natural thing. And all of us can do. We have different levels in works. You have some people, number one, you have number two said way. You know, just like in a classroom, you have brighter student. And some student evolve more than some. You saw me there, big up Sean in Bright. You have Javon Johnson where Bright said we. And me Bright, couple of them, you saw me there?
See.
I will still have to give God thanks anyway.
Yeah man, for
Yeah
real.
man.
So what kind of advice would I give to a youth now where out there we feel like he lost in our system and they want something for rope him in? What kind of advice would I give him?
We are meet them all, them youth, they always see me at the outer whole of which part the center there, youth center where you go look training. So when they see me out there and see my carving and some youth when I do something, we kind of push them brain, make them want to tell me, say, yo, I want to do woodwork, or me and them are bridging, me reason with them and show them, say, you have to learn a skill from early. You know? So when you learn a skill, there's power. When you not a skill, no matter how you not no money, just have your skill and have your work, them and a build them and do something. You feel positive because you know it a turn, because they see me every day out there work at Wallaba.
See.
And they never know, say, me have all you people if can link up big time. They not even see this, they not say, oh, that.
For real.
You know what I mean?
For real, for real.
Yeah, from last year, if I can link you.
A real talk.
Yeah, man,
A
and
real
I
talk.
come here and I say, you know me, I build up some work.
Yeah, man.
I make a thing shot.
So what kind of material is you now?
This is a lignum vitae.
Lignum
Well
vitae.
dry.
Well, yeah, man. Me love the colors though. The colors them just crazy. Like how you cut the wood the right way if you make sure so the colors of the wood just stand out.
Natural.
And all the ears and everything, people see it there. So if a man want order something from you over foreigner now, how them link you?
Why, I forgot that's my number on the line, right?
So that's your number, they make people them can link you?
543-4455. Jam up. Or Andy, Damian, see me. Big up Damian place.
And you can get up on WhatsApp and thing like that.
Yeah, man, WhatsApp.
See it there.
WhatsApp.
Yes, people, so as we say, buy local, support local. The man a come from all the way Old Harbour. Damian, the original sculptor. The man can make anything out of wood, people. See there, him said that one here, Tony and sing.
Yeah, man.
See there. Yeah, man, make them say the
We love her, but we love her more.
Yeah, man. Yeah, Papi, big up Popcorn.
Yeah,
man. See it, the other man. Yeah, man. And then we have all the lamp here, make out of gold, he said speed.
Yes,
Calabash.
Push him one side, with him properly.
Yeah, man.
You can turn and see all in switch here.
Yeah, man. See it there.
You plug it in and one sitting on us, so you're ready.
Boom, you're gone.
Bulb in the head too.
Yeah, man. See it there.
Bulb
Yeah,
in the
man.
head.
And we have some more pieces over here, so same way. Yeah, man.
And we have a piece here named Medusa.
Medusa.
Down a town. I don't know,
See it
downtown Kingston. And Medusa this.
See it there.
Don't know a thing. Big up Mr. Brown place.
Yeah.
And West Palm borderline. I don't know. Big up everybody down so. Yeah, man.
See it there.
Yeah, man. Crazy.
Yeah, man. So, Damian,
Yeah.
go on, hold up your head, my brother.
What do you, my friend, man? I respect you, man.
And go on do the positive work and go on make the youth them see say crime are not the only thing.
Yeah, man. Crime, we have to Lego that.
You have to Lego that.
Come here, I tell them, all of say we not get enough touring. Them have to just easy and go and love and learn. You may tell them, say, welcome to the younger generation when I come.
For real, a real talk. Powerful talk that.
Yeah.
Who are going to be their inspiration?
Yeah, and them have to have people to teach them right.
For real.
You have some kids, their mother terrible, and when I realize they not come terrible.
See.
They come good. Because then see other people with good and teach them, say, hey, leave people on their whole broken and the work for something, you know.
See.
Yeah, that's how I run.
Blessed love.
Yeah, man, blessed love, man.
Yeah, man, see it there.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. So people link up the man thing, support the thing. Again, him say you can find him thing in a rock house gift shop, 10-cent pen, swept away, said spade. Original lignum vitae, blue maho, cedar, guango, anything you want. The man you can make art out of anything. I would have one here now.
Alright, see bounty here.
See
Killer.
there.
One killer. And you
Rodney.
yeah, Rodney killer.
Yeah.
You see him over Marley Villa. I stay across and I look on Elvis Plaza and see him and sing, say, poor people fed up. Poor people fed up. Alright, see how this around here say now.
See.
And Clarendon, one done.
Yeah.
Merciless.
Oh.
Hold it. The girl so
So
fat with the
two-face,
crowd.
now one.
Yeah, man.
See it
Yeah,
there.
man, brothers love.
Merciless on one side and Bounty Killer on one side. Yeah, man.
Rock house alone we do it.
Well creative. Well creative.
Yeah.
See it there.
Yeah, name Amber. Moja still large. Big up Amber. You don't know a thing still large and niggle.
A puppy girl, Tony and sing. Big up Popcorn. Yeah. See it there. Man from Old Harvard, Damian. Artwork. Lignum vitae, blue maho, cedar. Any kind of wood you can think of, people, the man them can carve. Any face. You want yourself get carved in a piece of wood? Link the man. Me put your number and you can call him. Old Harbour thing. Jamaica uncut.
Yeah.
Cut out.
Jamaica uncut, one cut and a two cut. You don't know a thing go.
Blessed love.
Yeah.
Give them one extra lyrics me again if we close out.
Alright, baby, you're cute. Me say, no cute term. I want you put your foot up in the ton chair, so we love backers, steam fish and crackers. Drink a Guinness, sip a beer, lie down on the bed, girl, cock up on the chair. Cause me love it till he buff, now me love it when he ear. Me hold it and tear. Me like, yeah, man.
Damian people, Jamaica uncut, cut out.
Jamaica uncut, one.
Yeah, man, blessed love.